Hello, I am Saurabh sir. Today I want to discuss on the introduction of Python programming language. Firstly, I would like to tell you the definition of Python. Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language. Now I will discuss on the Python is a high-level programming language. High-level programming language is easier and more natural for developer to use than machine code or assembly language, which require knowledge of details that are hidden from the developer by the high-level language. Developer need not know the mnemonics code of remembering and making code simple to run and execute. Now I want to discuss the Python is an interpreted programming language. Python programs are generally written in high-level language which is called the source code. Since machines does not understand the third generation programming language, so the language need to transform into the binary code or machine code which machines can understand. Interpreter translates the program one statement at a time, and the interpreter checks or analyzes the source code. The interpreter ensures to follow the Python syntax for writing code. It also checks for incorrect lines of code. If it encounters any error in a line, it stops the program from running and produces an error message. This analysis divides the source code files into a list of tokens. After receiving the tokens, the interpreter generates the abstract syntax tree, and the tree is converted to machine language. Because this is a Python interpreter, the code can be saved in a file with the .pyc extension, and the interpreter initializes the Python virtual machine, which is PVM, in the next step. The PVM converts the byte code into binary code. After conversion, the results are then printed. The Python prints out the correct result if there are no high-level language error. Otherwise, it prints out the error message. Now I will discuss on the Python is object-oriented programming language. You will use it to define a class with attributes and method. After that, you can create the object of that class for accessing the attributes and method of that class. Next point is Python is developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Next point is Python is called dynamically typed programming language. Means Python allows developer to write the code without specifying the variable type. Means in the Python, if I write a equal to 10, after that if I print the type of a, print first bracket open type first bracket open then a, after that we'll get the result the class int, means a is holding that integer type data. If I write a equal to Saurabh, and after that I print the type of a, I get the output as a string. It means the type of variable is decided in the runtime. Now I discuss on the features and benefits of Python. Python compatible with a variety of platforms including Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi and other operating systems. Python uses a simple syntax so developers use fewer lines than other programming language. Python operates on an interpreter system that allows code to be executed immediately, which is called fast tracking prototyping. Python can be used as a procedural and object-oriented programming language also. The next point is Python flexibility. Within the Python flexibility, the first point is dynamic nature of Python, which is already discussed previously. The second point is extensive standard libraries, which means Python has lots of built-in modules for handling files, network protocols. Additionally, third-party libraries like NumPy, Request, and Pandas augment Python capabilities, expanding its functionalities for various domains. The third point is versatile in web development. Python has frameworks like Django and Flux for web development purpose. Fourth point is data science and analysis. The pandas libraries used for data manipulations and analysis, while libraries like matplotlib and seaborn in data visualization. The fifth point is automations and scripting. Python is of use, making it perfect for automations and scripting. Python's simplicity and wide array of libraries make it valuable tools for efficiency. The last point is Python and AI. Libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch empowers developers to build the neural network deep learning simultaneously. Scikit-learn simplifies traditional machine learning tasks. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.